Well, I'm in a 2015 Nissan Altima, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, make sure your car's turned on, which this is, and make sure your device is turned on here in the middle, which you can hear. And then we'll go to apps, and then we'll scroll down to settings, push enter, and then we'll scroll to system, push enter, and then we'll scroll down. Oh, actually I messed up back. Not system, we'll go to phone and Bluetooth, push enter. And then there's a limited number of phones that can be saved at a time, so you might need to delete a device here, so we can check that now. Let's say we want to get rid of this one. We'll push enter, delete from system, we'll say yes. So now there's more space for a new phone, so we'll back. And then scroll to connect new device, push enter, and then from your device make sure you got Bluetooth turned on, which it now is, and then usually if you push and hold that, it'll open up the pairing menu. So go to pairing, and then as this screen says, we're gonna look for my Altima. So my Altima, and then it wants to this random numbers which do match, to confirm that they match, yes and yes, and we should be connected now. And I think you can also connect Bluetooth with your car voice commands if needed, if your display isn't functioning properly. But anyways, now I can sync up calls, listen to music, all those sorts of things through the car. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.